Hello, good morning, students. Uh, Let us try to solve some problem based on the redox reaction, that is in text exercise number 1. Okay, student. So, dear students, if you talk about the very first question, the question is reduction is defined as increase in positive valency, gain of electron, lose of electron, decrease is negative valency. Dear student, reduction, if you talk about reduction, okay, so reduction means decrease in oxidation number, decrease in oxidation number, right student, decrease in oxidation number. So suppose student, we are having that is aluminum 3 plus, and if you are adding 3 electron, so it will convert into the aluminum. Okay, if you are having that is Na plus and you are adding 1 electron, so what will become student? Na. And here if you see, the charges become 0. Here charges become means plus 1 to 0. Okay, plus 3 to 0. So this is what decrease in oxidation number means. What student? Reduction. But how it is taking place student? By addition of what student? By addition of electron. So reduction is defined as increase in positive charge is oxidation, wrong. Gain of electron or addition of electron, gain or addition of electron. So you can write that is addition of electron. So correct option is in this question is option number 2 student. Okay, now let us move on the question number 2 students and try to understand what the question is. They are saying in the reaction MnO4 minus SO32 minus plus H plus, it is giving SO4Mn, the H2 plus H2O. Okay, so what is happening in this process we have to explain. So I am writing the question first. MnO4 minus plus SO32 minus plus H plus is there student, it is converting into SO4 2 minus plus Mn2 plus H2O, right? So dear students, what is happening in this case? So Mn to Mn we will go and sulfur to sulfur. Okay, Mn to Mn. Okay, and here is sulfur to sulfur. Other oxidation number, hydrogen oxygens are same students, so no need to do calculation. Dear student, if you talk about MnO4 minus, so Mn we are considering it X. So X and oxygen is, we know that is minus 2 multiply by 4 oxygen equal to total charge on molecule is minus 1. So X minus 8 is equal to plus into minus minus equal to minus 1. So X is equal to minus 1 plus 8. So X is equal to what is there student? Plus 7. X is equal to plus 7. So here oxidation number is plus 7. Okay. SO32 minus, if you calculate SO32 minus, so sulfur we are calculating X plus 3 oxygen, each oxygen is minus 2 oxidation state, total charge is minus 2. So what will come student? X minus 6 is equal to minus 2. So X is equal to minus 2 plus 6. So X is equal to plus 4. X is equal to plus 4. So here is how much is there student? Plus 4. In this SO4 2 minus, if you are calculating SO4 2 minus, right student, SO4. So this is what student? X plus 4 in bracket oxygen is having minus 2, right student. Sulfur is X, oxygen is minus 2, 4 oxygen equal to minus 2. So what will come student? X minus 8 equal to minus 2, right? So X is equal to minus 2 plus 8. So X is equal to how much? Plus, what is there student? X is equal to plus 6. So here you can put out that is plus 6. Here is Mn is plus 2 already there. So what is happening student? Plus 7 to plus 2, this is reduction. Plus 4 to plus 6, this is oxidation. So if we summarize this student, so what we can say, that is which one is oxidizing and which one is getting reduced, that we can write. So wait student, let me erase this to explain. So that is MnO4 minus is reduced into oxidation number reduced into what student? Mn2 plus. Okay, and SO3 2 minus is oxidized into in what it is oxidized, student? SO4 2 minus. So let us see our answer, students. What are there? MnO4 and H plus both are reduced. No, everywhere H plus is plus 1. So this is absolutely, this is wrong. This is wrong. This one is statement, half statement is correct, but other half is wrong. MnO4 is reduced and H plus is oxidized. This is extremely wrong, student, because why they are saying here is C, plus 1 is there and here is also plus 1, so no change. So it is not oxidized. This is wrong, but this statement half is correct, half is wrong. MnO4 is reduced. So you see here is MnO4 is reduced into Mn2 plus. So reduced, and SO3 2 plus is oxidized. So SO3 2 minus is oxidized to SO4 2 minus. So our required answer is option number 3rd, student. Option number 3rd is correct, student. Right? So let us move next question, student. The charge on cobalt in COCN6 3 minus. Okay, cobalt is there, CN6 is there, and on this minus 3 charge is there. Cobalt oxidation number they are asking. You know, student, HCN is the one acid. Okay, if it is ionized, student, it will give H plus plus Cn minus. H plus plus Cn minus. So oxidation state charge on this compound is what, student? Minus 1. Oxidation state of cyanide ion is minus 1. So dear student, what we are considering this X, let us consider oxidation number of cobalt is X plus 6 is there, Cn. Each Cn is having how much oxidation state? Minus 1, equal to, here is total charge is minus 3. So X minus 6 is equal to minus 3. So X is equal to minus 3 plus 6. So X is equal to plus 3. X is equal to plus 3. So charge on cobalt is how much, student? Plus 3. So if you see, the option, correct option is option number 3rd, student. Okay. Now let us move next problem, student. What is the next problem? Problem number 4. Which of the following halogen has always show only one oxidation state? Fluorine. Fluorine shows only one oxidation state because it is most electronegative among all elements. So because of most electronegative, student, and lack of d orbital, it neither take electron, only it is having the one it will take, not more than one, nor it give. So it is having, that is only the, because of most electronegative, it show only minus 1 oxidation state, no other oxidation state, student. Now, which of the following reactions do not involve oxidation reaction? Okay. So you see, student, what is happening? 2Rb plus 2H2O, it is giving 2RbOH plus H2. So here is 0. Okay, student, and here is 0. This is the minus 2. Okay, and here is, if you talk about, this is also minus 2. So Rb2, here is Rb to Rb plus 1. 0 to plus 1 is oxidation. Rb, this is the plus 1 oxidation. Minus 2 to 0, that is, okay, oxidation. Minus 2 to 0. Here is oxidation plus 1. Hydrogen to hydrogen we are going, students. Sorry for mistakes. Hydrogen to hydrogen is plus 1, and here is 0. So that is what is 0 plus 1 to 0, that is reduction. So in this one, that is a change is there. So this cannot be our answers. Okay, because not involved in oxidation. So we are going for the option number 2. Let us see. CuI2, it is giving CuI plus I2. So here is 0, right, student? Here is plus 2. Here is plus 1. Okay. So plus 2 to plus 1, this is a reduction. Okay, minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, this is the oxidation. So it is also correct only, means it cannot be our answers. Now let us take option number 3rd. NH4Cl plus NaOH, it is giving NaCl plus NH3 plus H2O is there, I think, student. So if you talk about nitrogen to nitrogen, you go, students. So there is like that. Okay, chlorine to chlorine we cannot go. So here is oxidation number of nitrogen is how much? +3. This is also +3. Chlorine is -1. Chlorine is -1. Okay. Sodium is +1. Here is also +1. Okay. Oxygen is here is -2. Here is also -2. Okay. Hydrogen is +1. Here is also +1. So if you see student, what is happening in each case, here is no change. Why no change? +3, if you see +3 to +3, no change. If you are -1 to, in this case -1 to -1, no change. +1 to +1, +1 to +1, no change. Okay. -2 to -2, no change. So there is no change in oxidation number. So question is also, which of the following do not involve oxidation number? No, not involve oxidation number, oxidation reaction. So in this reaction there is no change in oxidation number, so it is not involving in the oxidation reaction. So our correct required option is option number 3rd, student. Thank you so much for watching, dear student. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe, student. Thank you so much for watching.